Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying permission and tooling so you don't halt later. Make sure your Azure subscription, resource group, and the Nagi instance are already provisioned. This avoids rework. Open a terminal, install or update Azure CLI, then run as login to authenticate with the account that has contributor rights. Next, enable the Azure Latch Control API in the portal and register an app to capture client ID and client secret. These credentials let you call control endpoints securely once you proceed. Once done, wire credentials into Nagi so control calls authenticate automatically. Store client ID and client secret in Azure Key Vault or Nagi's encrypted settings, then implement an OAuth client credentials exchange to retrieve a short-lived bearer token. Use post to /OAuth2/ token with grant type equals client credentials and parse access token. With that token, make control API requests to Latch. Include authorization, bearer token, and appropriate content type headers. This structure keeps keys out of code and tokens rotated for safety. To finish, run a controlled test sequence. Send lock then unlock commands and watch Nagi logs for success codes and timestamps. Make sure your implementation refreshes tokens before expiry, schedule refresh at about 50 to 55 minutes, and add retry with exponential backoff for transient failures. If a call fails, check 3 common issues. OAuth scopes include control, system clock skew on servers, and that client secret has not been rotated or disabled. Correcting those usually resolves control errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.